All right, guys. Today we're gonna go ahead and introduce a new concept. It's called closed syllables. So we've got closed syllables and open syllables. Okay. Now a closed syllable has one vowel only. Okay. That one vowel must be closed in. So if we have a word with one vowel, such as cat, C-A-T, the vowel is closed in by two consonants. Okay. And that vowel is what we call a closed syllable because it's in between two different consonants. Okay, so it's closed in, kind of like wedged in between um, the the two letters. All right, so it's kind of like if you're standing in between two people that are two consonant people. Okay, or think of peanut butter and jelly. The peanut butter and jelly are the vowels, and the pieces of bread are the consonants, and they are closed in. All right, so that's what a closed vowel is.